Good morning, everybody. So I will talk, or I should rather say, we will talk about what we say and how do we learn during lesson study. Why is the whole class discussion so important? Because of this dialogue. Because when we have to express idea, when we have to listen to each other's idea, our knowledge is evolving.
Thank you very much for the introduction. And I would like to thank the organizing committee. Today, I'm going to talk about the holistic model of education as it is in Japan. Those are the lunch serving toban. Okay, so everyone does it. It rotates. No, everyone does it. And then that's cleaning. They're cleaning the classroom. Okay, this is a group stayover, also a Tokatsu activity. And they of course socialize, and practice leadership skills and things like that.
And today I'm going to talk about the impact or the potentiality of the impact of lesson study and Tokatsu.
Tokatsu began in 1958 when the Ministry of Education at that time decided that academic subjects alone wasn't enough to fully realize the goal of education. Tokatsu is a set of activities for developing students' non-cognitive skills, such as social and emotional skills.